The University of Gothenburg has made a groundbreaking discovery regarding how semaglutide, a drug used for obesity and diabetes, works in the brain. Researchers have identified a specific group of nerve cells in the brainstem that play a crucial role in how the drug reduces appetite and body weight. What's particularly interesting is that this happens without the common side effects often associated with such drugs, like nausea. In studies conducted with mice, activating these nerve cells mimicked the effects of semaglutide. Conversely, when these cells were removed, the beneficial effects of the drug were significantly reduced. This discovery opens up exciting possibilities for developing next-generation treatments. These future treatments could offer the same weight loss advantages as semaglutide, but with even fewer side effects. Ultimately, this research significantly deepens our understanding of how the brain regulates hunger and energy balance. This is a major step forward in the fight against obesity and diabetes, potentially leading to more effective and tolerable treatments for millions worldwide.